Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee High Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, Pro package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 47,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, heated second row seats, quadra-lift air suspension, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7955.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.